Hey, Tom here. So look, bird dogging a property in a neighborhood. I've actually been bird dogging for 15 years, bought over 7 or 8 houses just in this one neighborhood. But so look, today I want to talk to you about fake gurus. They're a pervasive issue of fake gurus and why it's crucial for me to call them out. You know, fake guru can be especially damaging for young individuals, for those who are looking for a guidance, often believing that everyone has their best interest at heart. Not so, boys. Hate to tell you that, and girls. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. People lie and sometimes exaggerate their expertise in a way that can, lead to other people making misguided decisions. Just imagine the consequences of taking actions from someone on how to administer medicine to a child, only to discover later on that the information was not only incorrect, but was harmful. That's the kind of stakes that we're talking about. The stakes are very high, and when it comes to real estate investing, poor advice can have lifelong repercussions. I cannot stand and watch talented individuals, and I'm talking about individual people, that have their potential drained away by listening to people who claim to know what they're talking about when they clearly do not. In this competitive environment, you have to be discerning. You won't see me cozying up to any fake gurus, competitors, praising their work. That's bullshit. That should be a signal to anybody that something is amiss when you see fake gurus doing that, cozying up to each other. True expert stands by their own accomplishment and showcases their history with transparency, and they compete with each other. If you find someone who is constantly or consistently vague about their track record, who glosses over their students' results, you should question their authenticity. You know, the real measure of capable men lies not just in personal success, but in the success of their students. Real success you can talk about and quantify with money and dollars. Anyways, this often gets obscured and downplayed with, double talk. It's funny, I'm going through, this is a house here, I bought that for $200,000. I sold it for $560,000. Anyways, their history of students and their achievements, and they should make those figures clear for everybody to see. So I'm here to provide education and support based on my extensive experience, which spans 45 years now, since I was 19 years old, in this business of investing. My commitments, in fact, this is interesting too. I'm gonna show you something. This house, I actually added 4,000 square feet to this house, and I put all that electrical service you see right there. I actually have it wired so that you can have a 5-unit building on this property. Pretty interesting. This is a great thoroughfare. Actually, also, I own that building across the street. Still own that one. But back on subject here. So look, I've been doing this for 45 years, and my commitment to you is simple and honest. I have a proven track record, one that I willingly share. Over the few short years that I've been mentoring and teaching people, I have celebrated significant success with my students, leveraging the same fundamental methods and strategies that have served me well. I talk about how all the properties are a rock's throw from each other, or maybe a couple rock's throws. I've made tens of millions of dollars I can walk to from my home or from my business. And that's what I want you guys to see. So I'll continue to put the facts on the table. And, so I help my students that I mentor how to navigate things. This is also another property I own, by the way. This is a beautiful, school. Anyways, so always to ensure your success, keep you well informed and empowered to make the decisions, that are best for your future. If you don't scrutinize the people that claim to know what they're doing, you're never gonna know. You're never gonna, You can't be gullible. You can't be, if you don't know who the fool in the room is, it's you, okay? Understand that. This is another building too, by the way, but that's another story. But really, that's all I wanted to get across to you today, is that people think that I go out there and just pick apart people at fun. No, I wanna draw the comparison. I wanna draw the distinction between me and the fake gurus. Long track record of success. Total transparency. This property here, I actually bought those two properties together. I paid $1.2 million for the one further back. That's 20,000 square foot warehouse. And then this one is considered retail. This is 4,400 square foot. Well, that was daycare. Now it's a private school. But these kinds of properties, bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars of income for me, and these are keepers, ones that I'll hold for a long time. And same thing across the street. There's another 16,000 square feet of office that I've had the same tenant for 20 years. So look. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You wanna get mentored for success by somebody that's real, that doesn't have all these hacks and wedges and all this goofy bullshit, doesn't talk to you, like a weird camp counselor, because that's some of these guys, they just talk so weird. They're just trying to sound cooler than they are. I'm fact-based, I'm information-based. And that's what you get from me. Facts and figures, real stuff. And so I look forward to seeing you guys again. Flip Anything USA, get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. And listen, if you get mentored by the right person, you can become a millionaire in a very short amount of time. Go to flipanythingusa.com and look at my testimonials. Look at my students that have become multimillionaires since being in my class in the last 3.5, 4 years. This is very real. It's a teachable skill. I'll show you how to do it. And you guys especially, there's so many millionaires out there. $1 million is really nothing anymore. It gets you a 2-bedroom, 1 bath in a good neighborhood. It's really not that much money anymore. But you guys that, have hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, listen, take the next level. The next level is parlaying your success that you've already had in business and putting it into real estate where you create passive income that'll last you for years. You can pass on for generations. Every time I'm sick, I always feel a little bit better. For one reason, is that while I'm laying there sick and not feeling particularly good, I'm still making money. Interest never sleeps on the people that owe me money, and also rent never sleeps on the people that are paying me rent. So those are things that help me sleep a little better, and they will you too, and I hope everybody here watching here will actually enjoy the fruits of that kind of success, because there's nothing like it. So take care, see you around. Thanks.